It's summer and the skeeters are out and they're hungry. So what I'm gonna do is take these, one of these, with these touches, and I'm gonna make this little concoction to help ward away all the itchies. So let's go do this. Let's go have some fun. While you're here, check me out on my other platforms, either at virtually.com. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications for future videos. Thanks for watching and enjoy. Hey everybody. I'm sitting here with bug bites from taking my little doggie on her walks. I'm getting bit up. Welcome to Florida, where it's been raining every afternoon. The skeeters are out there and they're hungry. So what I'm gonna do is make a little concoction using my doTERRA essential oils. And I have a little roller ball kit that I got from Amazon. I'll put some links below. Little ball, and I've got the little attachment, stuff like that. So basically what we're gonna use tonight is lavender and peppermint. They say there's a blog post on doTERRA. You can use peppermint and lavender, or you can use Purify. So for tonight, I'm just gonna be doing the peppermint and lavender. These are two basic staples in my oil supplies. Love these, use these all the time. So basically what you're gonna do is take 2 teaspoons of fractionated coconut oil. And then I use like a little funnel to put mine into the little roller ball. So 2 teaspoons. And then I'm gonna add 10 drops of the lavender, that way, and 10 drops of the peppermint. Mix those all together, put it into the little roller ball, and then you get this. Fills up almost the whole roller ball. So 2 teaspoons of the oil, the carrier oil, and then 10 drops each of the lavender and the peppermint. And I'll make a little label for this so I know what it is, but I'm gonna start carrying this, keep this in the car, so when I go take her out for her walks, I'm gonna have it ready. So any of the little itching that you get from the little mosquito bites and all that stuff, you just kind of apply it directly onto your skin, topically. So I've got one like right here, so I'm just gonna put it on there. And it smells good. It's very calming and fresh at the same breath. But yeah, that's all you need for your little first aid kit. It is a bug bite roller ball. So hopefully this helps you out and maintaining those itchy skeeter bites. So be safe out there. Bye.